Aloha crafty friends, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I'm on today with a quick project share. I am in a it's a Christmas in July swap. It's a swap that I entered on Instagram, which is hosted by Arctic Glam. And the requirements for this swap was to make one embellishment box and 3 trim samples and 5 die cuts and 2 bag toppers. I think I got it right. So anyway, we were to create all that. She partnered us up and to be mailed out July 31st. And so I just got done today with the last of my the project. I had to just decorate my bag, which I have my trim inside, and then now I just have to bag everything up and send it off. Well, before I do that, I want to go ahead and share what I created. So first off, this is my my 2 bag toppers, and I did use the Doodlebug collection. Christmas Town, I think is what it's called. And so I was hoarding that for a while, and I finally decided to use it. And so this is my bag topper here for the actual packaging for the bag toppers, but I put it on where my partner will be able to reuse this as well. So, and essentially she's getting 3 instead of 2. And so these are the other 2 that I made. I think they turned out really cute. I put them on a, what do you call this? I put glitter and I ran it through the laminator. And so that's how I make these sheets here. And then I backed it on the pink so you can see it like so. And so yeah, so those are my 2 bag toppers, which I think turned out really cute. I love them. I love this collection. I just really love Doodlebug. So I rarely use their paper, but I decided to use it for this one because I thought this would be perfect for this swap. So now I'm going to seal it. I was waiting for my video before sealing it, so I wouldn't have to keep opening it up. So that's my 2 bag toppers, okay? And then this is how I package my trim sample. So this is what I worked on today. This is the last of it. So I just used a doily here for my stash, and I used a lot of the ephemera. I put some diamond dots here, just kind of add some sparkle, kind of match the back, you know, the doily. I had this pink clip, and I just glued on like this silver bow here. So it can just go on the top, and she can reuse that. And then my trim samples are here. Oh, and in the back, I put Christmas Town. I just cut it from the paper and thought that was cute. So I did that. And then these are the trims that I'm gifting. Or not gifting, well, swapping. So it's these 3 here on these spools. And I added some charms on the back with these bulb pins. So she'll get those to reuse as well. I like giving things that people can reuse. I just think that's nice, you know. She can take it off and use the bulbs, and then she can use these for something else. And then she has these cards, which I made really sturdy. So those are the trims, and that's how I packaged that. Really cute. And then this is I put my die cuts in here. I made this, it's like an embellishment, it's an embellishment book tutorial that I use, but I put the die cuts in here. And so I really like Mr. Santa. He's so cute. These are one of the flowers that I created. This looks kind of like I need to add some more balls in here, so I might do that. But other than that, this is it. And then you open it up. So this is the first one. So this is actually a die cut. It's a pocket. But in the die cut, I put more die cuts, so she can use this pocket for whatever she wants. But I also cut 2 tags because these this goes together with this. And then I cut out these animals here, which I thought were really cute, and I thought she could use these, you know, on embellishments or cards or whatever she liked. So she has these. So already here there's like 5, but I did more. And so here's a cute little snowman that I did. Super cute. This one here is a sled with some skates, and I use diamond dots here, like where the laces would be. And here's a mitten. I left this plain so that she could decorate it herself, but I did back it on like 110 pounds cardstock, and so it's very sturdy, and so she can use that. And I made 2 of them in 2 different colors, and so I thought that was really cute, and that'll be useful. She can make it into a tag or whatever she wants. And here's another die cut, which is it's a stocking. And then in the stocking, I just put these 2 ephemera pieces in here for her. She could use maybe, you know, to match with the collection, however she wanted to use it. And, you know, she can dress up the mittens herself. And then I did a fluffy yarn bow, and I put this charm here. So I thought that was really cute. And, oh, I'm sorry, there's one more in here, a candy cane. And here's a candy cane. So yes, there's a bunch of die cuts in here, so I did way more than 5. They were just too cute, and I was having so much fun with this that I couldn't stop. So that's my book here, and I'm just gonna put that in a bow. And last but not least, so this is okay, so this here, I could not find an embellishment box at my Dollar Tree, and I looked several times. And so I had to go through my stash, and like I've hosted swaps on my channel before, or like challenges. And so I have a few boxes that people have gifted me, and I had to go and I had to part with one because like I said, my Dollar Tree just they don't have any. And I take that back. I did go like 2 or 3 days ago, and they had one, but it was broken. And so obviously I didn't buy it. So I chose this one to gift. I mean, this has been my favorite one since I received it, but I'm going to gift it to my partner. And so it goes on like this. She made this belly band. So inside the contents, I changed it, and I put my content in here. And so in here, I have a bunch of flowers that I made. So I made like these pretty flowers here that I glittered up. I have them in, these 4 colors. I'm just trying not to mess it up because I really want to send this out, package this up as soon as I finish this video. So I made these flowers here. I think turned out really cute, very shiny. Oh, there's 5. I thought there were 5 because I made 5 colors. So she's getting 5 of those. I have some washi tape in here. I have some sequins and some gems. I put some gems in here. These are some of my gingerbread cabochons. I think these are from Craft. So I have these, or Globlin. So I gave her those. Here are some pre-made envelopes here. Cute little embellishments. And here I made these. Merry, Jingle, and Santa. And I use foam, and I put the foam on some vellum, which I think is cute. And then I figured like this could match what I made in here. So for example, like he's super cute, right? But if you put like, she could put like Mary here and add some flowers or something, you know, that's an option. She could use it here, or she could use Jingle. It matches, you know. And same for here, like Santa, or she could use that there. So hopefully everything's kind of interchangeable, and you know, she can play around with it, and obviously use, you know, her supplies as well. But I tried to make it where it's kind of easy. And here are just some buttons and some bells. These are some pom-pom trims. And then this is a stamp set here that says Joy with a red ink cube. So yeah, so that is my outgoing swap for one of my Christmas in July swaps. I'm working on one more, and that one I just have to wrap everything. That one's a little bit more time consuming because you have to wrap everything and number everything 1 to 12. This one is just you know, all of this here, which was just perfect. So I'm just gonna have to find a box to put everything in nicely. So this is my outgoing swap. I hope y'all had fun watching. It was fun to make. I will be back on maybe tonight or tomorrow to show the last Christmas in July swap that I'm going to send out. And then I hope to move on to Halloween. Anyway, y'all have a great weekend. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.